Hello, you're looking at a rapid 500 amp 6 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This is a water cooled rectifier, 460 volt 3-phase input. Currently I have it hooked up to a load bank. See the scope here, very nice output. This is a variac control rectifier. See, currently output volts are at 6 volts, at 500 amps output current. Once again, this is a rapid 500 amp 6 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. If you have any questions, need any metal finishing or waste stream equipment, please contact Lanco at 616-887-8300 or online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.